Kaliwa.
For mystery, but today is a gift from God.
Thank you for welcoming me to 515. I just learned that 515 is not so bad after all. You're always known as the mafia of since I joined the club 20 years ago. So thank you to Iya who sponsored me to this really wonderful group. I have been with, I spent 22 years of my career at Unilever in the finance role. And I'm now with the SM Investments Group, so since 2013. So thank you so much for welcoming me.
All right.
Very happy to be part of the group. I've tried to play more often. I don't normally play on Saturday, but starting now I try to play more on Saturday. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm in food business and real estate. So thank you.
Thank you for welcoming me for a year already.
And for the next tournament, it will be July 13, unless it's postponed or cancelled due to weather. Sige, so let's proceed with the raffle. Turning over to you.
Thank you, President Marlon. Let's give it a hand. All right. Okay, all bets on the table. And of course, with next, ilan ba tayo dyan?
71, 1 under Paul de la Cruz. 86, draws 86, no? But handicap 16 and 72 under Del Leona. 82, handicap 11. Draws 82, handicap 11 and 71, 1 under. Thank you for the beer every season. Alvarez Gross, Gross 79, handicap 8, net 71, John Lowell. Gross 75, Juan Salvador.
74 lang yan sa amin.
74 lang daw? Mali ba to?
Yan.
Net, baliktaran, 69. Boxing, Malastas. Congratulations, players.
The three beautiful ladies representing Newport Resort. Season! Okay. David Season! This is a Mario Andre bouquet for 2. Gino Oliveira. More than 10,000 pesos. Wow! 15,000 pesos. For only Club 515. Courtesy of resorts. Robert, kasama si Ed Hernandez, ha? With breakfast for 2. Another, ha? Okay. Dalawa. Another. Alright. Wow! Rian! Okay! Tayong dalawa dito. Attorney Junoy Bernardo. Attorney Junoy. Overnight. Gino Wala na.
Yeah.
First winner, $100. Thank you, President Cortez. My goodness, Laurel wins. Okay, $100. Next, $100. Kevin Jogen.
Alright. Nice one, Kuya Bobby. Ayos.
Leonard Carmona.
Wow. Okay.
Congrats, Joey. And thanks, Joey, for the hard work in organizing this. And the prize. Now the grand prize, which is a 55-inch Samsung Smart TV.
Wow.
The winner is
Wow.
worth 36,000 pesos.
Wow.
Only in Club 505.
Alright. Happy Independence Day, June 12. Tournament Gomez.
Last man standing.
Thank you, Tito Paul.
Right the ball.
Okay.
Ay, ito ball. Thank you.
A last man standing. Tony.
Wow.
Good, Dave.
Dito minsan eh, kasama si Bonillo. Wala si